So yeah, Kate was in a limo.
Yeah, she was. What if there's a double-decker limo?
Ooh, that would be cool. That'd be a good invention.
I could make it.
Really? How could you do that?
I'd just get a guy who makes limos to show me how to make a limo. And I would make the first limo, and then I would just make the second limo on top of it with no wheels.
Now that is smart. Ryan, you have got it going on.
Yeah, and no like steering wheel or front.
The steering wheel on the front?
Yeah, and no like pedals.
Oh, right.
For the bottom.
Oh, so the one on the top, you wouldn't need a steering wheel or pedals.
Yeah, you just have like the body of the limo.
Yeah.
But no like wheels. 1 second, Katie!
What color would you make it?
I'll make it all colors.
Oh. So lots of different ones, or one limo that's every color?
I'll make one limo that's every color. Because if a person wants a blue limo, they only have a white limo, they're not going to be so happy. So if I have all the colors, I could make pink limos, I could make orange limos, double-decker limos.
I like it.
Thank you. Hey, we're in the car again, and I'm going to water polo practice. This one's going to be 4 hours, and it's on a Sunday, so I can run until 2, and then I need to eat lunch, and that's going to be what I'm going to do for most of the day. And I'm going to come back and play some golf, and that'll be by Sunday. So we only have 3 more days left of school, which are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. No, 4 days. And they're all half days. So, I mean, we're not really going to do anything because we're just bringing a pencil, no binders.
You're just bringing a pencil to school, that's it? Just me and a pencil?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's me, a pencil, and a lunch.
And your big fat brain. You, a pencil, a lunch. Sounds like it's like daycare. You gonna learn anything?
Yeah.
Like what?
How to eat candy.
How to eat candy?
No, I'm just kidding.
And not only that, you're missing the last day to go to Katie's promotion.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much already summer for you.
Yeah.
And come to find out that like we go longer than lots of other places. It seems to me as though most other states are already out of school.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, they are. But they started earlier, I think.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I hope. And, like private schools get out like really early.
I know, with that. So Brennan, do you want to explain a little bit about water polo? Because I'm not sure that most people know what water polo is all about.
Water polo is a sport where you throw a ball into a goal. You're welcome.
Awesome. I think that should do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, there's a lot of passing and jumping involved, and
Jumping?
well, like out of the water and getting high on your legs, stuff like that.
So you're treading water the whole time while you're trying to throw.
And you're not allowed to touch the bottom or touch the ball with 2 hands. So a lot of people don't know.
Yeah, so that makes it that much harder.
Touch my hands.
Super cool sport. We'll try to get some video of the water polo practice so you guys can see what it's all about. So Brennan decided not to eat breakfast this morning, so we came to the water polo practice, and now we're going to be late because Brennan needs to eat breakfast. So we're getting a crepe. What are you getting?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, so 4-hour water polo practice with no breakfast is not, I don't know, ideal. Right, yeah, so coach isn't too mad.
No, because not a lot of the team showed up, so
It's kind of a bummer.
we'll be okay.
Don't normally practice on Sunday mornings. I think that's probably why they didn't show up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye.
This is called a delay fish.
Well, it's because I didn't eat breakfast and I had to mow the neighbor's lawn, and I had had to get something to drink because I was dehydrated. And
so now we're hanging out. Just so you know, we're hanging out in the car outside of practice.
Digesting.
How long does it take to digest an egg, cheese, and bacon crepe?
About 3 hours. But you're lucky because I'm only taking 30 minutes.
Oh, you're doing super,
shortened.
Just super light speed digestion?
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
You're welcome, Coach.
Finally going into practice.
Oh my gosh. Yes, I love these things.
Who does not love bubble wrap?
I know. Who doesn't?
Dad's fixing the fridge.
Huh?
Dad's fixing the fridge. Remember the spring broke? Remember you broke the spring?
I did not break the spring.
You didn't do it?
No.
Who did it?
I don't know. I just closed the refrigerator and the spring came down.
I think since you closed the refrigerator and the spring came down, it counts as you breaking the spring.
Wait, no.
Ah!
No, Mom.
What?
I did not break it.
So who broke it?
The refrigerator did.
The refrigerator broke itself?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just thought I don't want to work anymore. I'm going to break myself. Has nothing to do with Ryan closing the door or slamming the door?
No, I did not slam it.
Okay.
It was just a casual day. I went and I closed the refrigerator and then...
Bam! Refrigerator's broken.
Yeah.
Daddy has to order a new part.
It was not me.
All right. But you get to play with the bubble wrap. So I tend to think that maybe what you did is you broke the refrigerator on purpose so you could get bubble wrap.
No.
Is that what happened? If you wanted bubble wrap, I'll get you bubble wrap. You don't need to break the fridge, Brian.
No. I didn't break it.
All right.
Oh, what the? It's like bolt under.
Daddy fixed the refrigerator. Woo! Congratulations, Dad.
Thank you very much.
Ryan, you should apologize to Daddy for breaking the refrigerator.
Ryan, let's start the refrigerator again, okay?
I didn't. Alright, so I'm eating some grapes, you know. Wait, no, you can't really see it that well. Alright, eating grapes. And I'm going to my golf tournament. So, I have my golf clubs in the back. And we're in the car. And my golf shirt. It's purple.
I'm going to pick up Brennan first.
Pretty cool. Yeah, we're going to pick up Brennan from water polo so he can go to the golf tournament too. Because we both do golf. So yeah. That's what we're doing.
So we got Brennan. He finished water polo. You tired?
It's pretty exhausting.
Yeah. He just told us about some of his cool drills. Yeah. And now, on to the next thing.
Yay.
No time to rest. Time to go to golf. You excited? You nervous?
I'm really mad. No, it's Brennan. He said he was everything. So
Hit a bad shot, just give up.
Yeah. If you hit a bad shot, then the rest of your game is pretty much done.
Golf is really not your game.
Yeah, throw it.
Make this be a lesson to you. Second place, first loser.
Oh. Thanks, Mike.
And second place is last place since we're playing two teams.
Yeah. Good point. That's right. Go get them, guys. We'll see you out there.
Well, we already won one. Let's see if we can win another one.
That's right.